Alright guys, this is just a quick video what the market is doing this morning, and as I always say, just keep in mind that things are always not going to move the way you want it to move. It's all about patience. So let's get into the Bitcoin chart, and I'll look at the 4-hour chart so we can look at it with bigger candles. Let me move this guy over. Okay, so Bitcoin broke up. Bitcoin went sideways. From there it broke down, came down this way, and now it's going sideways. So right now, a lot of the indications are showing that for now, Bitcoin is going up. This candle had a buy signal, but the buy signal disappeared. So Bitcoin will do two things. It will create a big wick here and then come back down. If that doesn't happen, Bitcoin will retest this line here, which is a resistance for now. It could bounce here at the 61K and then come back down. Bitcoin can go up. If you look at this smart trail, the smart trail is around 61.7 to 61.2. So Bitcoin can also get rejected in this area, and then Bitcoin will come back down, or Bitcoin can set a candle somewhere right here, could wake up and then come back down. So based on what I see, of course, there's always a possibility that, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit. There's always the possibility it can go here, come down here, and go up here. So we're always playing the probability game. Remember, it's not financial advice. This is just to get an idea of what's going on. So you have to keep that in mind. So let's look at some time frame. 1-hour chart thinks it's going to go to 61,500. 2-hour chart thinks it's going to go to 61,900. And 3-hour chart thinks it's going to go to 62,300. So just keep one thing in mind. Bitcoin doesn't have to travel the way we think it has to travel. It can go up here, come back down to this lower range, or from there it can go higher, reject down, and continue its move up. So Bitcoin can take all the possibilities. So we have to go back to the same basics when it went to 65K last time. We're going to wait for this to test this yellow line. We're going to wait for it to break out. We're going to want a confirmation candle. As you can see, we did get a confirmation candle previously when it was breaking out. Then it went a little bit higher, went sideways, and came back down. So something similar can happen. So just be patient, let Bitcoin play out. A lot of targets for a lot of people didn't get hit. And you have to remember, the ultimate target of Bitcoin still, if you go to the 1-day chart, it's 69K. It just depends how it's going to get there. So as of right now, I'm doing nothing. I'm going to be patient, let things play out. Anything can happen on a short period of time. So I'll just show you one last example. So when Bitcoin was here, which was, let's say, 58K, then Bitcoin went here, which is roughly about 64K. From there, Bitcoin came all the way down to here, which is around 53K. So if you look at this move right here as, oh my gosh, we're pumping to the upside, it wasn't. It just had to make its movement and then come back down. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but what I am saying is, if Bitcoin is right here, let's say, and let's say Bitcoin is going to go there, the movement isn't going to be like this. The movement could be Bitcoin can go here, can come here, can go here, come here, then go here, come here, go here, come here, 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 and then Bitcoin can make it. So if you're down here, you're thinking the world is ending. If you're up here, you think the world is exploding. If it comes down here, you think the world's ending. If it's here, you think it's exploding. If you think here, oh my gosh, we're going to go to all-time high. If it comes here, you're like, no, the world is ending. If it's here, you're like, oh my gosh. So you have all this emotional roller coaster moments where I have the circle, but you have to let the pattern play out. You have to remember, if Bitcoin was to travel from here straight here, a lot of people would make money. If it travels straight here, a lot of people would make money, because it's not just about cryptos and the market moving. You have to remember that because of leverage trading and liquidations on all coins, including Bitcoin, they have to manipulate the market to take out liquidity here, take out liquidity here, because there's liquidity in the alts as well. So a lot of times I ask, why does alts bleed when Bitcoin bleed? It doesn't make sense. But if you think about it, altcoins also has leverage trading, so they have to take out the liquidity for that. In order to do that, they have to go ahead and bring it down or bring it up. So I hope this video is helpful. Just stay strong, stay patient. If you didn't get your target, then it's okay. Till next time, peace.